In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the voting table in Microsoft Loop. The voting table is a quick way to collect options, capture pros and cons, and let your team pick a favorite with simple upvotes all in one place. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Loop. From the results, choose the official Microsoft 365 page for Microsoft Loop. On that page, select Get Started with Loop. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you don't have it yet. Once you're in, you'll land on the Loop home experience. Next, either create a new workspace or open one you already use. A workspace is just a container for your pages and components, so pick the one that makes sense for your project. Inside, open a page and give it a clear title so everyone immediately understands what the decision is about. Click into the page where it says Just Start Typing. To insert the component, type a /, then begin typing voting table. When voting table appears in the menu, click it. Loop will drop a ready-made table onto your page. You'll see columns for idea, pros, cons, and votes. Click under idea and add your first proposal. Keep it short and specific so it's easy to scan. Move to pros and add the key benefits or reasons to choose it. In cons, jot down the trade-offs or risks. Keep both pros and cons concise and factual so your team can compare items fairly. If you have more than one option, click Add New to create another row and repeat the same pattern. Idea, pros, and cons. Add as many ideas as you need. The table will expand automatically. When you're ready to make a choice, go to the Votes column. Click the small +0 next to an item to add a vote. Each click adds a vote from you, and you'll see the total update immediately. The beauty of this table is that every participant can cast their votes, and the counts build in real time, making preferences visible at a glance. If you created the table and want others to participate, click Share. Invite your teammates to the page so they can review the ideas and start voting. Because it's a Loop component, people can collaborate live, and everyone sees updates instantly. That's it. You searched for Loop, signed in, opened or created a workspace, titled your page, inserted the voting table with the / command, added ideas with pros and cons, created more rows with Add New, and used the plus in the votes column to register choices. Use clear titles, balance pros and cons, and then share to gather quick, transparent consensus.